Holland America Line's Nieuw Amsterdam offers various types of staterooms for passengers, including Verandah Staterooms. We were in room 4041, which was conveniently located close to the elevator and stairs. Verandah staterooms are well designed and offer plenty of space for relaxation and comfort. The staterooms usually include a comfortable bed, twin beds that can be converted into a queen-size bed, and a sofa bed or armchair, providing a cozy spot for relaxation. There were 3 of us who shared this room. In the evening when the sofa bed was made up, it was a little tight and you could not access the desk or the balcony. Like most ships, the bathroom was small. Our room did have a bathtub and shower combination. The room was equipped with a flat-screen TV that had access to a few satellite TV stations. There was also a telephone, charging ports, and a minibar. The room did have closets, drawers, and shelves, which allows you to keep your belongings organized during the cruise. However, once our luggage arrived, there was really no place to store our bags. Of course, the highlight of the Verandah Stateroom is the private balcony. You have your own outdoor space, furnished with chairs or loungers, which allow you to unwind while taking in the beautiful views of the sea. All in all, the Verandah Stateroom was comfortable and spacious. I loved having the private balcony, which allowed me a little time to myself to read, rest, and just enjoy the scenic view and fresh air without having to leave the room. Thanks once again for coming along with me. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next trip. Bye.